everyone, respected sir and everyone present over here. Myself Simran Datta. I came over here to present my demonstration. So before beginning the demonstration, it is important to know some basics. So the basic point will be shown in the presentation. So my topic is on working on image formation in convex and convex lens, concave and convex lens. Okay, this is concave and this is convex lens. So first of all, we will see what is concave lens. A lens that diverges a straight line from source to a beam, upright and virtual image. It can form both virtual and real image. A concave lens is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. So as first convex lens. A convex lens is a thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. A convex lens can be formed both and real image. When the object is placed beyond the focus, it forms a real and inverted image. When it is placed between focus and optical center, it forms a virtual and erect image. So, what is virtual and real image? A real image is formed by the actual intersection of light rays, whereas a virtual image is formed by the imaginary intersection of the light ray. A real image can be formed in a screen, but a virtual image can be inverted, but it is straight as the object. So, for formation of image through convex and convex lenses, it will be explained through demonstration. So, for the requirement, we take thermocol, chart paper, and marker to point the measures, scale measurement, lens holder, scheme, lens, convex and concave, object is candle and candle holder, etc. So now we will begin the demonstration. So when the concave lens is placed in the lens holder, we will take the object very far, so we can see no image is formed in the screen. So slowly we will bring the object near to the lens. We can see a small candle flake of. We can see a small image of candle flake. So it is virtual and erect. This is virtual.
Why you bring the claim of a came sensor?
And now they show the lens.
That's it.
Now you can see the context. If we keep the object very far from the screen, we can see the far from the object. You can see a small virtual. You can see the image in the screen, which is smaller smaller and diminish. When we bring close to the 2f, beyond 2f, we can see there is a the highly diminished image diminish. So if we bring it to into f1, we can see we can see a enlarge and diminish. Now we can bring now we have to bring it to middle in the 2f1 and f1. So we can see the image is large and real and inverted. When you bring to f1, you can see the image is enlarged, highly enlarged, and real and enlarged. So now we have to bring the f1 middle of the lens, so we can see the image is very very large.
Thank you so much.